Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that all of you are safe at your place in this COVID-19 pandemic. So, do you all want to be very creative in your molding art? Well, I am back with an amazingly mesmerizing way of making fridge magnets, which can help you to decorate your fridge in a very fancy way. Let's get started. So to make our fridge magnets, we'll need one hot glue gun, some glue sticks, one round brush number 4, one flat brush number 8, one round brush number 2 and two zero number brushes, two epoxy compounds, some tools to mold our fridge magnets, some water, acrylic paints and magnets. Now we have to mix the clay and the hardener of the epoxy compound. Now we have to apply some talcum powder on the surface so that the clay does not stick. Now to paint our magnet we need green, yellow, red and brown color. Now with the help of Fevicol, we have to paste both the ears and the balls. Make sure that after painting every magnet you have to keep them for drying. Now we are gonna hot glue the magnets. So friends, I hope that you all had fun me. Also, do not forget to try these magnets at your place and decorate your refrigerator. Like my video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more such videos. Till then, bye bye. Meet you super soon.